Hello, this is Pete Teo, and this is Amber. Each year, about 5 million unwanted pets are put to death in Malaysia. That's about 555 unwanted dogs or cats who are killed unnecessarily every day. Now, we can't have that. It's inhumane, it's cruel. Please do your best to try to help. Now, to help, please go to the PAWS website. Is paws.org.my, or go to the Facebook page. Just search for PAWS, PAWS, yeah, and help what you can. Find out more information and help what you can. Thank you very much.